On behalf of Commissioner Collegiate Education, Madam Devasena Madam is always saying, encourage, tell them that, apply for the seminars, and RUSA is ready, State Council is ready, Telangana Science and Technology Department is ready for the granting. Why I am telling? Because we have to do something. Whenever we are, because almost all, we are getting assistant professors, associate professors, and professor interviews are going. Actually, today we have the only 2 subjects. Major subjects we have completed for last 3 days. Because even we are going to be getting the professor. But academically, we have to develop. I am telling all the faculty, concentrate on academic aspects. Simply putting the professor, associate professor with you is not a viable, it is not a justifiable.